Silver Volume D includes 54 different emulations from a vintage digital reverberation unit under the name Ebony 251. This gear is considered by many to be one of the best sounding digital reverbs in the world. This amazing shimmering reverb has brought its undisputed quality to dozens of critically acclaimed albums by bands such as Queen, AC/DC, Emerson, Lake & Palmer, Yes, David Bowie, The Rolling Stones, and many others. Let's see it in action on a vocal track using the available presets.
What would happen to me, I don't know. I can see me next to you, doing something stupid and fun. What's wrong? But I can't ignore your eyes. They are telling me that we're done. Wires. I'm gonna miss the way I live with you. Oh, you are a part of me I'm breaking through. All of the memories we made into, can you?
The Ebony 251 reverb can add amazing depth and flexibility to your mix.
Give me one more chance. Let me breathe into your arms. I am sleeping from your hands. I know this could have been love.
Now let's go for the piano track of the same song. And that's all for today. Up to next time, peace.